What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm super excited to share with you guys how I earned $640 in the past 24 hours with just about 2 hours of work. Now, I know this sounds a little bit clickbaity or too good to be true, but I'm going to show you proof right now of the transaction that I got from the affiliate program that paid me. And also, this video that I'm going to teach you guys today was actually inspired by one or two other videos that I saw on YouTube that other YouTubers talked about. I actually decided to go and try it as I really liked it. I added one or two of my own tweaks, you could say, and added my own value and saw some awesome results from this. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did so that you can get results as well. So hopefully with this, you can replicate that. And I'm also going to show you my PayPal payment of $640 from this program. So take a look at this over here. The payment that I received was from Sprizzy.com, which is the affiliate program that I used. I got paid, I think it was yesterday on the 10th of December, $640 from this affiliate program using a strategy like I'm going to teach you in this video. So just to show you that this is my live PayPal dashboard and not a edited screenshot or anything like that, there you can see that this is refreshed and I have earned a total of $640. But before we get into this video, guys, I want to give you something. I've never given away such a valuable course before. So I recently bought this course called, well, over here, 24-hour traffic bullets. I actually have the link to this course that you can actually go and access this page. You don't even need to enter an email or anything. You just can access this course directly. So if you want this course, this is really going to help you with this strategy and even get you tons of more traffic with this. And you can see they have interviews with some big entrepreneurs online that are succeeding with traffic. They teach you how to set up ClickBank, how to set up Facebook, how to go viral on groups, viral fast, repeat every 2 days challenge, building engagement, joining epic groups and adding bio friends. It's very, very powerful in getting fast traffic to get a lot of sales or commissions or with whatever it is you're promoting online. So if you want this course, make sure to watch with me until the end and I will give this to you completely for free. So the first step that we need to do is we need to come over to Google and we can go and Google something that's got to do with YouTube growth or how to grow on social media or any kind of article or website. Don't worry, this is not going to be article publishing or anything like that. It's going to be very unique. So make sure to watch with me until the end because this can also help you get $640 online. So what we're going to do is we can go, for example, how to grow on YouTube. We want to search a simple website that shows us how to go on YouTube, how to grow on YouTube. So take a look at this. If I scroll down, this looks good. 15 tips for growing a YouTube channel. Let's open this up and let's just see if this website is quite good. This is very easy step-by-step process on how to grow on YouTube. I do like this website. They've got a lot of value and a lot of detailed context, which means we can make actually a lot of money from this. So we're not going to copy anything or do anything on this website. It's actually very unique what I'm about to show you. So make sure to keep watching with me. And then from here, we're going to go to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal this website just in a bit. So basically what this tool does, it basically guarantees your YouTube videos to go viral. How they do that is you pay them and they do all the YouTube and Google ads for you to a targeted audience, to people that are looking for your kind of content. So it's not like bots or anything like that. They basically run all the YouTube and Google ad campaigns for you, so you don't have to do any of the hard work. So a lot of beginners online that want to run ads come to Sprizzy and you can basically pay them and they will run successful ads for you, whether it's getting sales on your affiliate offers through your videos or getting more views or growing your channel. That's what Sprizzy is for. I really love this tool. I use it myself. They're really building a good brand for themselves because their tool is also very high quality. So just to show you, if I scroll down, it's basically 3 or 4 simple steps. So all you do is you tell people who should see your video. No worry, we're not going to pay for this tool. We're not actually going to use this tool ourselves. Basically, you provide them keywords that describes your video as well as the names of YouTube channels whose subscribers you've targeted. Then all they do is they get the attention through ads that promote your video on YouTube to users searching for your keywords and the fans of similar channels. So you can basically get other fans from other channels to watch your content. And then all they do is they get you your views, subscribers, and your real engagement. So what you need to do is scroll down. I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. Make sure to keep watching. Over here, they have an affiliate program. So you want to right click on this, open link in new tab, and it's going to open up this page over here. So the website that you want to come over to is this website here called Sprizzy.com, and you want to come over to the affiliate program over here, sign in with your first name, email, and password. Then this website's going to look like this, where your affiliate link is. So now how this works is people can spend as much as they want with Sprizzy. They can spend $1,000 on ads, they can spend $10,000 flip, they can even spend $1 million if they want to. The average range is from about $100 to $200. But now if you refer someone to this website, whoever or how much they spend, you get 30% of that. So if they spend $1,000, you get $300 commission from Sprizzy. If they spend $10,000, you get $3,000 commission. You get 30% of whatever they spend as an affiliate, which is really incredible commissions. It's quite a lot considering people can spend as much as they want with Sprizzy. So now that you've got your affiliate link, you're going to want to come to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching. I'm going to show you now exactly how to go and sign up your account and get onto this website. So this is a website that is actually super powerful. So we can go and add our own call to action to any website in the world, whether it's YouTube, CNN, and we can add like our own link over that website. It is really incredible and a great way to get super high conversions with affiliate sales or whatever it is that you're selling. So all you do is you can sign up with an account completely for free. You don't have to worry about any of the paid plans. The free plan is perfect for this and works for this. Once you've signed in, it's going to take you to your dashboard like this. What you want to do is you want to come back to this article that we found on Google. Copy the link of it. For example, this one is Social Media Examiner and the link to it. Come back to your Sniply dashboard over here, paste your link and click on Create Snip. Now over here, take a look at this. You can add your own link or call to action over this website as if it is your own. And we can go and share this and make huge commissions with this. And over here, we need to edit our button. So let's, for example, we need to go, let's use this one over here. So we can go type here, for example, this tool made me get over 1 million views on YouTube's in weeks. Then over here, we want to have the button text that says download here so people can click on that and then boom, it takes them through to your affiliate link. So every time someone lands on this website and sees this call to action and clicks on download here because they want to go and get the tool, it's going to take them to this landing page where they can go sign in with their channel and make their videos go viral, and you get 20 to 30% of how much ever they spend on this website. So once this link over here is done, you just click on Snip, and over here you can copy your Sniply link and take a look at this. Take a look at how incredible this is. So this now takes me to this article website over here. You can see it's the exact same website, but take a look over here. The first thing that pops up is your call to action, where if I click on download, it then takes them through this to my affiliate link to Sprizzy, where now I get 20 or 30% of how much ever they spend on this website. So now that you've got your Sniply link over here, keep this in a new tab saved. Then you want to come over to Facebook groups and you want to search something, for example, YouTube growth, and you want to go and join all these Facebook groups, and we want to recommend this tool to them. And the thing is, we're not selling anything. We're basically just saying to them, and why this converts so well also is because you're not coming across as a spammer. The thing is, most people look over Facebook groups. They just see, oh no, Facebook groups, it's old, outdated, when it's not. You can actually make a lot of money on Facebook groups if you put your mind to it. You really can. The thing is, it's more about how you go about it, because most people in these groups come across as bots that copy and paste the same templates and link everywhere. But those that catch your attention are those that are organic, that ask you a question, for example, that reply to your post and is like, hey, well done on the success, man. Just want to find out if you want to chat how you did it. I'm trying to grow a channel of my own. For example, you want to see as organic as possible. So that's what we're going to go do. We can go, for example, this one over here, YouTube growth group. Let's click on this channel. And over here, you can see this group is 55k members. So let's scroll down and take a look. So for example, this guy over here, instrumental worship song for moments. See you guys, please join us. So they're obviously playing instrumental worship songs, and you can see it's a YouTube link. So it's obviously free songs that they're uploading on YouTube. So we can go and comment, for example, hey guys, just clicked on your video, really enjoyed the songs, was listening to a bit of this music while I was studying. I also am trying to grow a channel myself, and I recently came across this amazing article that has given me, here we go, 15 tips for growing your YouTube channel. Let me know if you want me to send over the link to an article. It's not a paid product or anything. It's just a link to an article. And the thing is, when they click on that article, it actually takes them, let's find over here. It actually takes them to this website where the article is, and they can read the article. But the thing is, the thing that stands out the most is your call to action that says here, this tool made me get over 1 million views on YouTube in weeks. Download here. And boom, they click on that, they might go and purchase that for views to make the channel go viral when they see this high converting landing page. And that's how you get sales with this. And now that you've got a couple of sales on Facebook group and you're going there, it's time for that giveaway that I spoke about in the beginning. So all you're going to do is you're going to come over to this website over here called This is called the 24 traffic blitz, 24-hour traffic blitz. So if you guys want this course, all I would appreciate is leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate the support. I'm working hard on my videos to give you guys as much value as possible. Make sure you subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value pack video just like this one, and I can see who's subscribed and who's not subscribed. I have a tool called vidIQ that can show me if you subscribed, and then comment down below that you've done so and that you're ready to smash this and make some money with this, and I'll reply with the link to this page. So this will help you a lot with getting this page with your call to action over this link or over this website, getting you tons of sales like it got me $640 in total. So now that you guys understand the strategy and have got this giveaway, make sure to go get this course down below by doing the different 3 steps that I told you to do to get this course, and I'll give you that course down below. But guys, quickly on the screen over here, I'm going to give you an entire free traffic and affiliate marketing playlist with over 100 videos, and this is information I've learned from plenty of paid courses in the past, and over here it's for free now on my channel. I've made free videos because this works for me. I don't need to sell all of this in some $2,000 course. This works for me. So definitely go and check out this playlist above, and I'll see you there.